Hi there, I'm AJ, the founder of Foretelling, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about timelines. Timelines within Foretelling are a powerful tool that allow you to order your key events, link them to characters, places, items, and it allows you to truly set the stage for unforgettable moments. And this way you can keep your story perfectly in sync. And I'm going to describe a battle of morph. And let's hit save. So the first thing to do is to add our first event to this timeline. And the first thing we do over here is select which type we want to add. Do we want to add in a moment, which usually describes a specific point or a period in time, or an event, which is actually something that happens, an event that happens during one of those moments. So let's start with a moment and make this the 18th of January in 1677 and hit save. Now let's add another one, and this time it will be an event. And now you can already clearly see the difference between moments. These events are the things that are happening during this moment. So these two events are happening simultaneously on the 18th of January. And as you can imagine, the longer my timeline gets, if I want to add in an event in between these two events, I can press this plus button. If I want to remove an event or a time or a moment, I can press it, hit delete, and this will permanently delete this event. So there's no way to retrieve this from the trash. Another useful thing of timelines within Foretelling is that I can select one of these events and I can link story elements. So let's try to link one now. Let's link the army of Sith, or Emperor Sith, and also label it. So I press the plus button for a label, and I'll mark it with Sith's label. And I can immediately see the elements are added to these events. Let's do the same for this event. Let's add in the Great Keep, and let's add in Army of Sir Gerald and save it. So this way I can immediately see which story elements are involved, and I can open them really quickly by just pressing on those. I can see within a story element which links exist. So over here I can see that the Great Keep is linked to the timeline of Battle of Morph. And if I tap on it, I go back to the timeline. Now let's say I want to reshuffle things. I can go to the shuffle button and I can start dragging things around. And that's in short how you can create a timeline within Foretelling. It's a very simple to use tool which can get very, very powerful really quickly. If you want any feedback on something you've created, just join the Discord channel and show what you've created. There are a ton of enthusiastic people who would love to give you feedback on what you've created. And that's all for this time. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.